The People's Democratic Party, their National Disciplinary Committee, don receive reports on alleged anti-party activities of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, maybe Mr. Wike, and others from the National Working Committee. Based on information we gather, my good people, you see this particular committee so now one former foreign affairs minister wey dey go by the name Tom Ikimi, na dey lead am, and then set up this committee to address and manage all disciplinary matters. Oga Wike will be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and he na former governor of Rivers State, and others were reportedly summoned by the party to appear before the panel based on series of petitions wey dey against them. And these petitions, dey border on allegations of anti-party activities and sabotage during the 2023 general elections. Now, 5 former governors of the People's Democratic Party wey dey led by Wike himself, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, they allegedly work against their own party, maybe the People's Democratic Party, and they still allegedly work against the party presidential candidate, maybe Atiku Abubakar, during the 2023 general election. No be small matter, my good people. You know, say Mr. Wike plus Mr. Seyi Makinde of Oyo State plus Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State plus Samuel Otom of Benue State and Okeze Ikpeazu of Abia State, they bin get quarter with the People's Democratic Party, their presidential candidate will be Atiku Abubakar, sake of say the former national chairman of the party he no gree give up in position to a southerner. Now the People's Democratic Party, their deputy national publicity secretary, his name na Ibrahim Abdullahi, na he come dey yarn dey give tori people say Mr. Wike plus former members of the G5 and others wey dem accused of the anti-party activities, all of them now they don summon them to go face the panel. Oga Ibrahim consider yarn dey give tori people say the general public no dey get these things. Country people now dey talk say there is no opposition and the PDP, maybe People's Democratic Party, no dey active, but now they don constitute 2 committees to torchlight the alleged involvement of their members in anti-party, and they go still torchlight the alleged sabotage on the party's chances. And since now 2 committees wey dem constitute, Oga Ibrahim say one of the committees na to reconcile matter, while the other committee na to discipline anybody wey mess up. Now the committee don dey arrange letter wey they wan give Wike and others wey they don petition, so that they go come make they come explain their rules as alleged in the elections pre and post. Then when tori people come ask Oga Ibrahim Abdullahi say whether other G5 members, whether they go torchlight their matter too, Oga Abdullahi say yes now. Say if they go fit summon Wike, will be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and the former governor of Rivers State, he no see why others go dey exempted. He no see how they no go fit summon those ones. If they don't fit summon Oga Wike, wey dey hold a federal appointment and he na the leader of the ring, if they go fit call and come, that means the other G5 members na automatic. All this talk, my good people, they come from the People's Democratic Party, their deputy national publicity secretary, maybe Oga Ibrahim Abdullahi. Now make it no bad as if this quarter now go come split the PDP into 2. No, even the PDP chieftain self using mate yarn am say this torchlighting now of Wike and others, e no go make the party divide, e no go cause fight, e no go cause katakata, but rather e go put discipline for the body of other members so that this anti-party activity e no go happen again for inside the People's Democratic Party. Now make I yarn you another legit, my good people. You know say as all these ones dey happen, one senior member of the People's Democratic Party National Working Committee, he no want make we talk his name because he no get authorization to comment onto the matter. He come dey yarn dey give tori people say of course the National Working Committee they don hand over reports on anti-party activities and other relevant information to the disciplinary committee wey dey led by Oga Ikimi, but he no sure say they don invite Oga Wike or anybody. They never true give them the letter. Say make tori people now go ask Oga Ikimi. But however, my good people, when tori people come reach out to the secretary of the panel, his name na Eyitayo Jegede, him too he no gree comment onto the matter. Instead, he come dey point out say make we go meet the chairman of the committee. When tori pipo come last contact the chairman of the committee, himself he no gree comment onto the matter. He say he no even dey for inside Abuja dey campaign for the Edo governorship election, so he no go fit talk at the moment. Then tori pipo come go meet Senator Olaka Wogu sake of say him na ally of Oga Wike. They come dey ask am wetin dey sup. Then the man come dey yarn say the panel they never invite Oga Wike. Nobody don invite the man. So why they go come dey talk say they don't invite am when they never invite am? But one member of the National Executive Committee wey dey go by the name Timothy Osadolo, he now don confirm am say the call for Wike suspension is strong, no be small. He said the deputy national youth leader of the PDP don dey yarn say members of the People's Democratic Party as a whole, they consider the penalty such as suspension and expulsion for those people now wey dey involved in the anti-party activities during the last general elections. But one member of the reconciliation committee wey dey go by the name Segun Showomi, he come dey draw ear in the call for caution as they deal with Wike matter. He say if they no dey careful with this Wike matter and other powerful members of the People's Democratic Party, if they no handle this matter properly, if they no take this issue with seriousness, e go lead to a bigger problem wey reach to consume the People's Democratic Party as a whole. So like this now, this matter is serious wey no be small. E go surprise you the kind palava, the kind problem wey only one man fit cause for party. Now I know say all of them now they go dey wonder, they don't even tire for Oga Wike. Then they find how they want to comot am from their party. If it be say they find am difficult because say he na Wike, and the issue wey come make this matter e come escalate na sake of say the People's Democratic Party chieftain now ogbonge men wey dey inside the PDP, they can't declare their support for Governor Siminalayi Fubara based on the political beef wey dey happen between Sir Siminalayi Fubara and the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Wike. That one now come make Wike come para the more. He could come and dey draw ear they give them. Say then try and say they interfere for this political beef, say go put fire for their state. And this particular statement where Wike make so, it could come and make the PDP governors, they could come and para too. Everybody from inside the PDP just the para. Nobody want to calm down. This my good people now they informate we are say make a share give the general public. Anyhow the team be for body, feel free make a drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on a legit information on it and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they bring the news they come, like go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. And they come your side again with another interesting information for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.